All right, get this. The European Space Agency, they just launched this mission
Yeah?
called Proba 3. And let me tell you,
Really interesting.
it is pushing the boundaries
Yeah.
of what we thought possible in space. We're talking 2 spacecraft dancing in formation
Yeah.
to create artificial solar eclipses. You, our lucky listener, are about to get the inside scoop
Absolutely.
on this incredible mission.
Yeah. I think what's so fascinating here is the level of precision
Oh, yeah. I
involved.
was reading about this.
Imagine 2 spacecraft separated by 150 meters.
Yeah.
That's about 1.5 football fields
Yeah.
hurtling through space.
Hurtling.
And they need to stay aligned
Oh, wow.
within a single millimeter.
Okay, hold on. A millimeter?
Yeah.
That's like threading a needle while riding a roller coaster.
Yeah.
How on earth do they pull that off?
It's incredible.
Yeah.
It's an incredible feat of engineering. During the separation maneuver, there's this clamp band
Yeah.
that release, allowing the 2 spacecraft to slowly drift apart.
Oh, wow.
The whole process is meticulously monitored by a team in Belgium,
Really?
and they have to account for all sorts of factors like the speed of the spacecraft, and the gravitational pull of the Earth. And
So it's not just about launching these spacecraft.
Right.
It's about this intricate dance that they have to perform once
Yeah.
they're up there.
Yeah.
And they're using existing technology
Yeah,
in a whole new way.
you got it.
I read that they actually adapted a standard clamp band, the kind used to separate a spacecraft from its launch vehicle,
Yeah,
for this delicate spacecraft to spacecraft separation.
it's pretty cool.
Talk about ingenuity.
Absolutely. And the quote from the Proba 3 mission manager, Damien Galano,
Oh, yeah.
really captures the pioneering spirit of this mission. You know, he said, doing this kind of separation at the spacecraft level is quite uncommon.
Mm-hmm.
They're really charting new territory.
Wow. But let's get to the heart of it.
Sure.
Why go through all this trouble? What's the scientific payoff for this cosmic ballet?
Well, the main goal of Proba 3 is to study the sun's corona,
Okay.
that outer layer of the sun's atmosphere
Right.
that you typically only see during a total solar eclipse.
Right, because the sun's so bright that it usually drowns out the corona, right?
Yeah,
So Proba 3 is like creating an eclipse on demand.
precisely. One of the spacecraft, called the Occulter,
Okay.
acts like a giant block,
Yeah.
casting a shadow onto the second spacecraft, the Coronagraph,
Okay.
which houses a special instrument.
All right.
Now, this shadow is incredibly precise.
Oh, wow.
We're talking only 8 centimeters across.
8 centimeters.
Yeah.
That's tiny.
It's tiny.
It's like trying to block out the sun with a dime.
Exactly.
How do they even manage that level of accuracy?
They use a sophisticated system of sensors and laser to ensure that the shadow is perfectly aligned.
Oh.
It's essentially like turning 2 spacecraft into one giant
Right.
virtual instrument.
So by creating this artificial eclipse, they can finally get a clear and sustained look
Right.
at the corona.
Exactly.
But why is that so important? What secrets are hidden in the sun's corona that we're trying to uncover?
Well, the corona holds clues to some of the sun's most intriguing mysteries.
Like,
Solar flares
Ever.
and those coronal mass ejections
Yeah.
that can disrupt satellites
oh, wow.
and even power grids here on Earth.
Wait, so this mission isn't just about understanding the sun.
Right.
It's about protecting our technology and way of life here on Earth.
Exactly.
That adds a whole new level of importance
Yes,
to
ma'am.
this cosmic dance.
You got it. Proba 3 is a fantastic example
Yeah.
of how space exploration can have very real and practical benefits for all of us back here on Earth.
Wow.
It's like having a front row seat to one of the most dynamic and influential objects in our
Right.
solar system.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not just about protecting us, though,
Right.
from the negative effects of the sun. Understanding the corona can also help us harness its power for good.
Okay.
For example, scientists are exploring ways to use solar energy
Uh-huh.
to power spacecraft
Oh, really?
on long-duration missions.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So Proba 3 is like this key that unlocks all these possibilities, not just for understanding the sun, but for using that knowledge to advance technology and exploration.
Exactly, and it builds upon
Uh,
the legacy of other groundbreaking space telescopes like Hubble and James Webb.
right.
Each of these missions pushed the boundaries
Yeah.
of what we thought was possible
Yeah.
and revealed incredible insights about the universe.
You know, it's funny. Hubble gave us those stunning images of distant galaxies.
Yeah.
And James Webb,
Right.
with its infrared vision,
Yeah.
can see even further back in time, closer to the Big Bang.
Right.
But Proba 3
Yeah.
with its focus on the sun,
Yeah.
feels almost like a return to our cosmic backyard, doesn't it?
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It's like we've been exploring the vastness of space.
Yeah.
And now we're taking a closer look at our own star,
Right.
the one that sustains life on our planet.
Yeah.
Proba 3 reminds us that there's still so much to learn about our own solar system.
It makes you wonder, what kind of discoveries will Proba 3 lead to?
Yeah.
Will it change our understanding of the sun as dramatically as Hubble changed our view of the universe?
It has the potential to do just that.
Yeah.
Think about it. We've never been able to study the corona
Right.
in this much detail before. Proba 3 is going to give us a whole new perspective on how the sun works, how it affects our planet, and maybe even how it influences the evolution of other stars.
It's like having a powerful new microscope for studying the sun.
Yeah.
And speaking of new perspectives,
Yeah.
it makes me wonder, now that we have this ability to create eclipses on demand, what other mysteries could we unravel? Could we adapt this technology to study other stars or even black holes?
That's a fascinating thought.
Yeah.
The technology behind Proba 3, this idea of formation flying, could definitely be applied to other areas of space exploration. Imagine a fleet of spacecraft working together, acting as one giant distributed observatory.
Wow, we could create virtual telescopes the size of planetary orbits.
Exactly.
We could observe things in space with incredible detail. Things that we can't even imagine right now. It's mind-boggling.
It is. And it highlights the fact that Proba 3 is not just a mission. It's a pathfinder.
Oh, wow.
It's showing us what's possible when we think outside the box and push the boundaries of space exploration.
It's like opening a door to a whole new era of space exploration. One where we can create artificial events in space to study the universe in ways we never thought possible.
It's pretty amazing.
It's truly an exciting time to be alive, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. Proba 3 is a testament to human ingenuity.
Yeah.
And our endless curiosity about the cosmos.
Right.
And who knows what incredible discoveries await us as we continue to explore.
You know, it's easy to get caught up in the technical marvels of a mission like this.
Yeah, it is.
But I think it's important to step back and appreciate the human element, too.
Oh, absolutely.
There's a whole team of scientists, engineers, and technicians who poured their hearts and minds into making Proba 3 a reality.
It's a true testament to international collaboration as well.
Really?
Proba 3 involves teams from across Europe and beyond.
Wow.
All working together towards a common goal.
It's inspiring to think about all those people coming together, driven by a shared passion for exploration and discovery. And it's not just about the science and technology either, is it? There's a sense of wonder, of pushing the limits of human knowledge that makes missions like Proba 3 so captivating.
Absolutely. It's that same spirit that drove early explorers to sail across uncharted seas. And that compels us to reach for the stars today. Proba 3 is a symbol of that unyielding human desire to explore, understand, to uncover the secrets of the universe.
You know, sometimes I think we forget how lucky we are to be living in this era of space exploration.
It's true.
We're witnessing history in the making with missions like Proba 3 paving the way for even more incredible discoveries in the future.
I couldn't agree more. It's an exciting time.
It is.
To be following space exploration with so many new missions and technological advancements on the horizon.
It really makes you wonder, what will the future of space exploration hold? Will we one day send spacecraft beyond our solar system?
It's possible.
Creating artificial eclipses around distant stars to unlock even greater secrets of the universe.
That's a thrilling thought. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be able to manipulate space-time itself.
Wow.
Creating wormholes to travel to distant galaxies.
Wow, that's getting into some serious science fiction territory. But who's to say what's impossible? After all, just a few decades ago, the idea of creating artificial eclipses in space would have seemed like science fiction, too.
That's right. The boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed outward. Thanks to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge.
So, dear listener, as we wrap up our deep dive into the Proba 3 mission, I hope you're feeling as inspired and awestruck as I am.
I hope so.
It's a testament to the power of human collaboration,
Yeah.
innovation, and our unwavering desire to explore the unknown.
And remember, even though we're here on Earth,
Yeah,
we're all part of this grand cosmic journey.
it's true.
Probe 3 is just one small step
Right.
in our ongoing quest to understand our place in the universe.
Beautifully said. And with that, we conclude our deep dive into the groundbreaking Proba 3 mission. Until next time, keep those minds curious and those imaginations soaring. We're standing on the shoulders of giants, right?
Yeah.
Each mission builds on the knowledge gained from the ones that came before,
Right.
propelling us further into the cosmos.
It's a beautiful analogy.
It is.
And speaking of giants, think about the scale of what Proba 3 is achieving.
Yeah.
It's essentially turning two separate spacecraft into one gigantic instrument,
Right.
all to study a star that's 150 million kilometers away.
That's a pretty impressive feat.
It is?
It makes you realize that there are no limits to what we can achieve when we set our minds to it.
Exactly. And it's not just about achieving the impossible.
Right.
It's about what we learn along the way.
Right.
Proba 3 isn't just about collecting data. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it.
It's about inspiring future generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers
Oh, yeah.
to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we think is possible.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Proba 3 is a shining example of human curiosity, ingenuity, and the power of collaboration.
So to our listener, we
Yes.
hope this deep dive into the Proba 3 mission has sparked your own sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe.
I hope so.
Remember, every new discovery,
Yeah.
every technological leap brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of the cosmos.
And who knows, maybe one day you'll be part of the team that makes the next groundbreaking discovery,
Right.
pushing the frontiers of human knowledge even further.
Until then, keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking questions.
That's right.
That's how we unravel the mysteries of the universe, one deep dive at a time.